Hi students, this is Mr. Wallace and Algebra 1 students. I just want to talk to you about subtracting polynomials, and you'll notice that it says subtraction here, and sometimes that gets a little tricky because subtracting negative numbers, some of my students, you might get confused. So what I'm going to teach you how to do right now is to change this from a subtraction problem to an addition problem, and I'm not going to get into exactly why this works. I'm just going to show you the trick. We're going to change this to plus, and then every sign on the inside becomes its opposite. So you'll notice that I changed everything to its opposite on the inside, and then that allows us to change it to an addition problem. And just like the video before, we're going to seek out monomials with the same degree and add those together. The 4n squared, we're adding a positive 2n squared, and so that is 6n squared, and that takes care of those two right there. And then you'll notice that there's not much else to combine. We have a positive 5 here, we have a positive 4 here. We've got that, and we have no other n to the second, or n to the firsts. We just have that plus negative 2n. So we're going to write that down next to the 6n squared. We're going to subtract 2n. That takes care of that. And then the only thing we have left to do is to add the 5 and the 4, and that makes a positive 9. And so that's how we subtracted two polynomials by actually turning it into an addition problem. We'll do the same over b. Remember, we're going to change this minus to addition, and we can do that as long as we make everything its additive inverse on the inside. So positive 3x squared becomes negative 3x squared, minus x becomes plus x, and minus 8 becomes plus 8. And then again, you can go ahead. It looks like our highest degree here is x squared. So we have a 4x squared, negative 3x squared, 4, and negative 3 simply give us x to the second power. We have combined those. The next degree would be the first degree. We have a minus 3x and a plus x. We're going to go ahead and add those together. Negative 3 and a positive 1. Even though the 1 isn't there, it's implied. So negative 3 and 1 make negative 2. So that's a negative 2x. That's done. And then in the end, we just have 5 and 8. That's very easy to do. 5 and 8 would make 13. And that is how we would subtract polynomials. Thank you. Have an awesome day.